Wow, tingnan nyo, layo. Welcome here in Baluarte. Now, sir, ang gagawin mo lang ay ilabas mo lang yung right hand mo. Yan. Now, sir, promise mo sa akin, kahit anong animals na ilalagay namin sa iyong kamay, huwag na huwag mo siyang bibitawan. Ready na? Okay, go Summers, with your pet. We have... Wow! The Australian Flying Squirrel, also known as a sugar glider. Now, this one is more marsupials. Can reach a length from 4 to 6 inches, and their tail is making half of its body. Sila po ay native ng Tasmania, Indonesia at Papua New Guinea. Nauna ko po nilang kanilang pangalan na sugar glider kasi sir, kumakain po sila ng mga matatamis na prutas. And of course, ito din po ay may katangiang mag-glide na parang lumilipad dun sa mga puno. And since sila po ay maliliit, sila po ay popular pets as pocket pets. So ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin sir and of course sa aming sugar glider. Wow! Thank you very much sir.